Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how we are cutting a high security key, in this case a Jaguar key, also called a TB key. This key has a different type of keyway, unlike most keys. As I mentioned, high security key. Also you will see where the chip goes in, and in the second part of the video you will be able to see the coding procedure. Please like this video and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we are cutting a Jaguar key. It's a TB key for a X-type model. So this machine requires a special jaw to hold the key and a special key as well, as you can see. It's a very unique way to cut these keys. You have to rotate it as the machine tells you to do. There's a total of 4 spaces, or 4 depths and 6 spaces. And we simply have to do what the machine tells us. Once we cut the key, we have to program the chip in the key. This is an uncut key, and this is where the chip sits, right in there. It's a glass chip. So we will resume the video and we're doing the programming for you guys. Thank you. Hello everybody, we're working on a 2004 Jaguar X-Type. We are plugged into the OBD of the vehicle with our machine right here. Currently, all keys have been erased. Oleg, go ahead and cycle the keys in. Once the clears have been erased, we're going to cycle out, look for the red light to go off.
Here.
There we go.
Secured.
All right, turn it off.
And the second one.
Stick that one in. And we're ready to exit the system. We programmed the chip in both keys.
That's it.
The job is complete. Thanks for watching, guys.